Here's an unboxing video for Garmin's BC 30 wireless backup camera. So there's the cigarette lighter part that goes into your car. Then this plugs into your compatible Nuvie, which is pretty much any current Nuvie. So that just replaces the cigarette lighter cable that your Nuvie comes with. This part here is the actual backup camera. You can see the lens. It's protected by that green tape. It has a little connector right here that connects up to this wireless transmitter box right here. You can see it goes to the two bare wires for power, and then it connects right there. This thing right here connects to the actual camera. It's quite a long cable. And then it also comes with a couple screws, Allen wrench, I guess that's what that is, and then just the usual instructions. Thanks for watching.